Welcome friends. So be with me. We are learning passive voice. Today we are going to learn perfect present tense. Here is the formula. Object plus have been, has been plus past participle of the verb or V3 plus Y. I have just written that letter. This is appropriate sentence, active voice. I have just written that letter. In this sentence, this letter is an object. So this letter is singular form friend. So this letter has been written by me, or this letter has just been, because I have given you just in active voice as a keyword. So this letter has just been written by me. Now negative sentence, object plus have not been plus has not been plus past participle of the verb plus by. So she had not done that work yet. This is negative form. She has not done that work yet. So in this sentence, that work is an object friend. So that work has not been done by her yet. Try to listen me carefully friends. We should do the practice and depth. But before that, you should have the clear concept that this is the sentence of perfect present tense and this is the formula for changing the sentence from active voice to passive voice friend. Now, let us learn simple interrogative sentence. Have has plus object plus being plus V3 plus by. The answer of this question is always yes or no. Remember friends. So have you ever seen an English movie? So for this sentence, I will use this formula for changing it into passive form. So an English movie is an object. It is in singular form friend. So has an English movie. An English movie is an object. Has an English movie ever been seen by you? Question mark. Now if the sentence begins with a question word or interrogative sentence beginning with a question word friends. So I have to write down question word in the beginning of the sentence plus have plus has plus object plus been plus V3 or we can say past participle of the verb plus by plus question mark. We have to strictly follow this formula. If we don't want to get a chance of reduction of a single mark, if we want to be confident, I personally request everyone to change the sentence from AV to passive voice by following this formula friends. Why have you brought your dog in the class? Why have you brought your dog in the class? So in this sentence, your dog is an object. Why? So why is a question word? So why has your dog been brought in the class by you? Question mark. I am again repeating the sentence. Why has your dog been brought in the class by you? Question mark. Now, I have written one sentence for your self practice. He has just done that work. This is perfect present tense because have and has it done. Just is the keyword to identify the tense. So in this sentence, that work is an object. This object is in singular form. So I would apply this formula. I would use this formula object plus have been, has been plus V3 plus by. So what should I write? So that work has just been done by him. This is the answer. That work has just been done by him. He is changed into him. This is an object. I have begun the sentence with that object plus have k here plus this is a keyword plus been plus past participle is already given in active voice. Right? So remember friends, while changing the sentence from active to passive, in all the tenses, we have to use the third form of the verb. All the other rules are the same. So now friends, one more sentence for your practice. Just listen. Be careful while writing the sentence. Who has drawn this picture? Who has drawn this picture? Now in this sentence, it begins with who. I have already taught you that whenever you come across with who, you have to change it into by who. Is it clear, friend? So here I would write by whom has. This picture is an object, it is in singular form, friends. So by whom has this picture been drawn? So remember friend, this is also very easy. Perfect present tense. In perfect present tense, we always use have been or has been for changing the sentence from active voice to passive voice. Try to follow this formula, friend, for affirmative, negative, simple interrogative and interrogative sentence beginning with the question word. Right? So be confident. So in this session, I have taught you passive voice of perfect present tense. Friends, one of the guys like you has suggested us through his email to launch our mobile app, and we are very much happy to inform you people that we have already launched our mobile app. We have also shared our mobile app link through the description area, friends. So to download our mobile app, please go through the description and install our mobile app and stay tuned with us, friends. So friends, are you enjoying this video? Do you like this video, friend? Do like our video, friends. And definitely subscribe our channel for more and more updates. And do send us your comments. Right? Okay friends, so see you in our next session. In the meanwhile, friends, bye.